Organizations are struggling to comply with the current data protection regulations. And this is because data protection regulations are always changing. But our organization is able to keep up with the dynamics of the data protection regulations. And this is because the organizations, they don't take time to examine their data collection, processing, and protection practices. And these are the reasons why they should really look at their data. They should really work on their data privacy audit. So today we are going to talk about 4 reasons why it is necessary to do a data privacy audit. 1, to improve compliance. When the organizations are compliant, this will ensure they avoid penalties that are usually brought up by the regulators, like the ODPC for the Kenya Data Protection Act and maybe the GDPR for the external data regulation acts. So the companies have to do the data privacy audit to be on the safe side, because if they don't do it, it will be very expensive for them. So if they can ensure there's a regular data privacy audit, they'll avoid all these penalties and fines. And this would really put them on the safe side of compliance. And then number 2, to enhance data security. How sure are you about your data security as an organization? Are you safe from the data breaches, the data leaks as you're using or you're storing your data? How safe is the organization from potential harm, from the fraudster, from the cyber attacks? But with data privacy audit, you'll always be on the know-how on how safe your data is. And this will protect you from such kind of breaches in the long run. So to ensure your data is secure, regular data privacy audit could be very necessary, and this would keep your data safe from all this potential harm. And then number 3, to enhance reputation. Let's look at a situation where there's a data breach or data leak. What happens to your client's information or to your other stakeholders like suppliers or your employees' information? In case there's a data breach, the trust is lost. Your client will not trust you again when it comes to their data, because already they are not comfortable with you handling their data. The fear that their data will be leaked out there, and this will spoil your reputation as a company. And this is where I advise for regular data privacy audit, just to give you that peace of mind that your clients' data and your employees and suppliers' data are safe. So this is a step that you cannot ignore, just to build that trust with your clients and any other stakeholder that is involved with your company. So to be on the safe side, to enhance your reputation, do a regular audit to ensure all your data is safe. And then the 4th one and the final one, reducing legal and financial risks. So this would help you. Doing data privacy audit helps reduce the legal and financial risks. This one will reduce reputational damage and financial penalties, which can be very expensive for the organization. So doing the data privacy audit in advance will save you a lot of major costs in the long run. So this is a step that you cannot ignore as a company. So to ensure everything is at par, just ensure you take care of your data by regularly having a data privacy audit. And this I would advise all organizations that handle both sensitive and non-sensitive data, or the personal information for the clients and personal information for the employees. So that this is very crucial just to protect the data of the company, the organization, and the data of the other stakeholders who are working with the organization. And also, the organization should ensure that they work with other organizations who are also following the same process to protect their data too. So, data privacy audit is a must-have for all organizations that are using data.